Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing, 320 Prospect Avenue in Hermosa Beach. This is a reverse floor plan home, so all the living space is upstairs. You get high ceilings and plenty of sunshine. There's this beautiful marble fireplace and gleaming hardwood floors. Let's have a look. This is not your typical tall and skinny. It's actually on an oversized lot, so that means the house is even bigger and has so much to see. I'm excited to show you, and wait until you see my favorite part at the end. So let's check out the living space. It is nice and open, but you do have your defined spaces. The next is the dining room, and it is open to the kitchen by way of this breakfast bar. So the kitchen was recently upgraded with these beautiful Carrara marble-like quartz counters. There are 2 sinks, so the farmhouse sink and the prep sink, stainless steel appliances, including a double oven, and there's even a pantry. Just off the hall, there's a convenient half bathroom for your guests to use. Continue down the hall and you'll find this flexible bonus room. This could be used as a home office, a gym, or a nursery. As you step inside the primary suite, you'll first notice this ample walk-in closet. This generous bedroom includes vaulted ceilings, French doors out to a private patio, and a stone fireplace for keeping you cozy on cool nights. This 5-piece bathroom does connect through to the bonus room. It offers beautiful natural lighting by way of the skylight, dual sinks, a jetted spa tub, and a standalone shower with dual heads and a seat. Let's head downstairs to take a look at the other 3 bedrooms. There is direct access to the 2-car attached garage here, and let's talk about the storage. There's plenty of it. We have storage under the stairs. There's a great closet here off the entry, more cabinetry, and conveniently located laundry closet. These 2 bedrooms do feature recessed lighting, tray ceilings, ceiling fans, fresh paint, and are connected by way of this Jack and Jill bathroom. And here we have dual sinks with privacy doors to the restroom and shower tub combo. There's a 4th bathroom at the end of this hall that is a full bathroom with a shower tub combo. And this versatile 4th bedroom that does have French doors. It does have a closet, so you could use it as a bedroom, or it makes a perfect office with access right out to the backyard. And here in the backyard, we have faux turf. There's a great mature lemon tree and plenty of room for your loved ones or your pets to play. And now for my favorite room in the house. It's not even a room, but it seems like one. It's the roof deck. It's over 400 square feet. It does offer electricity, water, and gas, so you can hook up your barbecue or a fire pit and entertain or relax and enjoy while soaking up this spectacular ocean view and enjoying an evening sunset. If you would like to experience this spectacular ocean and sunset view in person for yourself, please reach out today to arrange for your own private tour. So thank you for watching this first look of my latest listing.